Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations. I am here to guide you on your journey towards self-discovery and manifestation. Numerology is the ancient practice of using numbers to understand the deeper meaning and significance of our lives. It is a powerful tool for unlocking our full potential and discovering our unique path in the world. The origins of numerology can be traced back to the ancient civilizations of China, India, and Egypt, where it was believed that numbers held hidden wisdom and could be used to gain insight into the mysteries of the universe. Today, numerology is still widely used as a way to understand ourselves and the world around us, and to tap into the infinite power of manifestation. As you embark on this journey with me, I invite you to open your mind and heart to the endless possibilities that numerology has to offer. Together, we will unlock the secrets of the universe and learn how to use the power of numbers to create the life of our dreams. I am excited to share with you some of the most profound numerology secrets. The first step in understanding numerology is learning how to calculate your life path number. This number is determined by the date of your birth and reveals your unique personality traits, strengths, and challenges. The basics of numerology are simple yet profound. At the heart of numerology is the concept of the life path number, which is calculated using the numbers of your birth date. This number serves as a blueprint for your life, revealing your unique talents, challenges, and opportunities. To calculate your life path number, simply add up the digits of your birth date and reduce the total to a single digit. For example, if your birth date is July 12, 1995, you would add 7 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 5 to get 34. Then, you would reduce 34 to a single digit by adding 3 plus 4, which equals 7. Therefore, your life path number is 7. Each of the numbers 1 to 9 has its own unique qualities and characteristics, and understanding these can help you gain insight into your own personality and life path. For example, the number 1 is associated with independence and leadership, while the number 2 is associated with balance and harmony. The number 3 is associated with creativity and self-expression, and the number 4 is associated with practicality and organization. As you delve deeper into the numerology secrets, you will come to understand the unique traits and tendencies associated with each number. By embracing and aligning with these qualities, you can unlock your full potential and create the life you desire. Remember, the power of numerology lies within you. It is simply a matter of unlocking its secrets and using them to your advantage. The number 1 is associated with independence, leadership, and self-motivation. People with a strong 1 energy are often innovative and driven, with a desire to take control of their lives and create their own path. The number 2 is associated with balance, harmony, and cooperation. People with a strong 2 energy are often sensitive, diplomatic, and able to see both sides of an argument. They are skilled at mediating conflicts and bringing people together. The number 3 is associated with creativity, self-expression, and communication. People with a strong 3 energy are often artistic and expressive, with a natural talent for writing, music, or other creative endeavors. The number 4 is associated with practicality, organization, and stability. People with a strong 4 energy are often hardworking and detail-oriented, with a focus on building a solid foundation for their future. The number 5 is associated with adventure, change, and flexibility. People with a strong 5 energy are often open to new experiences and enjoy exploring new places and ideas. They may have a restless nature and a desire for freedom. The number 6 is associated with love, nurturing, and responsibility. People with a strong 6 energy are often compassionate and caring, with a desire to help others and create a harmonious home environment. The number 7 is associated with spirituality, wisdom, and introspection. People with a strong 7 energy are often deep thinkers and seekers of knowledge, with a strong connection to the spiritual world. The number 8 is associated with abundance, success, and material prosperity. People with a strong 8 energy are often ambitious and driven, with a focus on achieving financial success. The number 9 is associated with compassion, humanitarianism, and global consciousness. People with a strong 9 energy are often philanthropic and concerned with the welfare of others, with a desire to make a positive impact on the world. If you want to learn more about your specific numbers, don't forget to subscribe. Did you know that your name holds powerful numerology secrets? Just like your birth date, the letters of your name can be translated into numbers, revealing important insights about your personality, strengths, and challenges. By understanding the numerology of your name, you can gain a deeper understanding of who you are and how to make the most of your unique gifts and abilities. Your name holds the key to unlocking your full potential and creating the life you desire. Take some time to explore the numerology of your name and see what insights it has to offer. You may be surprised at what you discover. Perhaps you have a natural talent for leadership or a deep connection to the spiritual world. Whatever your name reveals, remember that it is simply a guide, and you have the power to shape your own destiny. Use the wisdom of numerology to inspire and motivate you on your journey towards self-discovery and manifestation. With an open heart and a willingness to learn, you can unlock the secrets of the universe and create a life filled with abundance, joy, and purpose. To calculate the numerology of your name, you will need to translate the letters of your name into numbers using the following chart. By the way, the chart is also mentioned in the description under the video and in different videos about numerology. A, J, S equals 1. B, K, T equals 2. C, L, U equals 3. D, M, V equals 4. E, N, W equals 5. F, O, X equals 6. G, P, Y equals 7. H, Q, Z equals 8. I, R equals 9. For example, if your name is John, you would translate the letters as follows. J equals 1. O equals 6. H equals 8. N equals 5. Then, you would add up the numbers to get a total, in this case 20. Finally, you would reduce the total to a single digit by adding the digits together, in this case 2 plus 0 equals 2. Therefore, John's name number is 2. It is important to note that you should use your full name as it appears on your birth certificate, rather than a nickname or shortened version. This will give you the most accurate numerology reading. Once you have calculated your name number, you can look up the meaning and significance of that number to gain insight into your personality and life path. Remember, the numerology of your name is just one tool among many for self-discovery and manifestation. Use it to inspire and guide you, but ultimately, the power to create your own destiny lies within you. One way to use numerology to determine compatibility with others is to compare your life path number with that of your partner, friends, or colleagues. Your life path number is calculated using the numbers of your birth date and represents your unique path in life. By comparing your life path number with that of others, you can gain insight into how compatible you are and how you may be able to work together towards common goals. Here are some general guidelines for compatibility based on life path numbers. Life path numbers that are compatible: 1, 5, 7. Life path numbers that may have some challenges but can still be compatible: 2, 3, 6, 9. Life path numbers that may have more significant challenges: 4, 8. It is important to note that these are just general guidelines and that compatibility is ultimately determined by a combination of factors, including personality, communication, and shared values. Just because two people have compatible life path numbers does not guarantee a successful relationship, and vice versa. To get a more detailed analysis of compatibility, you can also consider the numerology of your names, as well as the personal year and monthly numbers for each person. By looking at these different numerology factors, you can gain a deeper understanding of how compatible you are and how to make the most of your relationships. Matching life path numbers can be an indication of compatibility in a relationship, as it suggests that two people are on a similar path in life and may be able to support and complement each other. However, it is important to note that life path numbers are just one factor to consider when evaluating compatibility, and there are many other factors that can impact the success of a relationship. For example, even if two people have matching life path numbers, they may still have different personalities, communication styles, and values, which can create challenges in the relationship. Similarly, two people with incompatible life path numbers can still have a successful relationship if they are able to work through any differences and find common ground. Ultimately, the key to a successful relationship is effective communication, mutual respect, and a willingness to work together and support each other's growth and development. Whether or not you have matching life path numbers is just one piece of the puzzle. It is important to consider all of the factors that contribute to compatibility and make a decision based on your unique circumstances and goals. If you find that you have incompatible life path numbers with someone you are in a relationship with, don't worry, all is not lost. While it may require a bit more effort to work through any challenges, it is possible to improve compatibility and create a harmonious relationship. Here are some tips for improving compatibility with incompatible numbers. Communicate openly and honestly. Effective communication is key to any relationship, and it is especially important when you have incompatible numbers. Take the time to listen to each other's perspectives and be open to compromise. Respect each other's differences. Remember that everyone has their own unique path in life, and it is important to respect and honor each other's differences. Try to see things from your partner's perspective and be open to learning from them. Focus on common goals. Look for areas of common ground and work together towards shared goals. This can help you build a stronger foundation for your relationship and find ways to support each other's growth and development. Seek support. If you are struggling to navigate the challenges of an incompatible relationship, consider seeking the support of a therapist or coach who can help you work through any issues and find ways to improve compatibility. By following these tips and approaching your relationship with an open heart and a willingness to work together, you can improve compatibility and create a harmonious and fulfilling relationship, even with incompatible numbers. Numerology can be a powerful tool for manifesting your desires and creating the life you want. Here are some ways to use numerology to manifest your desires. Determine your personal year and monthly numbers. In numerology, each year and month is associated with a specific number, which can influence the energy and opportunities available to you. By understanding your personal year and monthly numbers, you can align your intentions and actions with the energies of the universe and attract what you desire. Set clear and specific goals. In order to manifest your desires, it is important to have a clear and specific vision of what you want to achieve. Use the energies of your personal year and monthly numbers to set goals that are in alignment with your life path and purpose. Take inspired action. Manifestation is not just about thinking positively. It also requires taking inspired action towards your goals. Use the energies of your personal year and monthly numbers to guide your actions and make progress towards your goals. Stay positive and focused. Manifestation requires a positive and focused mindset. Use the energies of your personal year and monthly numbers to stay focused on your goals and maintain a positive attitude, even when challenges arise. By following these steps and using the energies of numerology to guide you, you can tap into the power of manifestation and create the life of your dreams. In numerology, your personal year and monthly numbers can play a significant role in manifestation. Here's how. Personal year number. Your personal year number is calculated based on your birth date and the current year, and it reflects the energy and opportunities that will be present for you during that year. For example, if your personal year number is 3, it may indicate a year of creativity and self-expression, which can be a good time to focus on your artistic pursuits or take on new challenges. Monthly number. Your monthly number is calculated based on the current month and reflects the energy and opportunities that will be present for you during that month. For example, if your monthly number is 7, it may indicate a month of introspection and spiritual growth, which could be a good time to focus on your personal development or connect with your higher purpose. By understanding your personal year and monthly numbers, you can align your intentions and actions with the energies of the universe and attract what you desire. For example, if you want to manifest a new job, you might set a goal to apply to a specific number of job openings during a month that has a 1 personal month number, which is associated with new beginnings and taking on new challenges. By using your personal year and monthly numbers as a guide, you can tap into the energies of the universe and make the most of the opportunities available to you, helping you to manifest your desires and create the life you want. Thank you for joining me on this journey of self-discovery and manifestation through numerology. Here are the key points we covered. Numerology is the ancient practice of using numbers to understand the deeper meaning and significance of our lives. It is a powerful tool for unlocking our full potential and discovering our unique path in the world. To calculate your life path number, you add up the digits of your birth date and reduce the total to a single digit. Each of the numbers 1-9 has its own unique qualities and characteristics, and understanding these can help you gain insight into your own personality and life path. You can also use numerology to determine compatibility with others by comparing your life path number with that of your partner, friends, or colleagues. Matching life path numbers can be an indication of compatibility, but it is just one factor to consider when evaluating a relationship. To use numerology to manifest your desires, it is important to determine your personal year and monthly numbers, set clear and specific goals, take inspired action, and stay positive and focused. By aligning your intentions and actions with the energies of the universe, you can attract what you desire and create the life you want. Remember, the power of numerology lies within you. It is simply a tool to help you understand yourself and the world around you. By embracing the wisdom of numerology and staying open to the endless possibilities that it has to offer, you can unlock the secrets of the universe and create a life filled with abundance, joy, and purpose. If you want to learn more about each number, please check out the playlist at the end card. Be open to receive, and I hope to see you in my future. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. You will generate some good karma for yourself and others. See you in the next one.